In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank account in Xero. Before we begin, a quick heads up. You'll need access rights that let you manage the chart of accounts, and deletion in Xero is only possible for bank accounts that haven't been used in any transactions. If you've ever posted, reconciled, or connected feeds to that account, Xero will block deletion and you'll need to resolve those links first. With that in mind, let's walk through the exact process so you know what to click and what to expect. Start by signing into your Xero organization and opening the main dashboard. Along the top of the screen, look for the Accounting menu. Click Accounting to open Xero's accounting options. From there, head into the Accounting Tools area. This is where Xero groups utilities that help you manage the structure of your books. Next, choose Chart of Accounts. This page lists every account in your organization, including asset, liability, income, expense, and bank accounts. Since we're removing a bank account, the goal is to find that specific line in this list. You can scroll through the list if you prefer, but the fastest way is to use the search bar or filters on the page. Type the bank account name or code to narrow the results. Bank accounts are usually labeled with an account type of bank, which makes them easier to spot. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct account, especially if you have similarly named accounts. Once you've found the right one, select the checkbox next to the account. This tells Xero which account you intend to act on. With the account selected, look for the delete option on the page and click it. If the delete button is grayed out or you see an error, that typically means the account has been used, is linked to transactions or bank rules, or is set as a default in settings. In those cases, Xero prevents deletion to protect your historical records, and you'll need to remove those links or consider archiving instead. If the button is active, you're good to proceed. Xero will then prompt you to confirm. Review the account name one more time and click OK to finalize. After confirmation, the account is removed from your chart of accounts and will no longer appear in lists or be available for new entries. That's it. You've navigated to the chart of accounts, located the bank account, selected it, deleted it, and confirmed the change. If deletion isn't available, resolve any usage first, then repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to manage bank accounts in Xero with confidence.